Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to look at LEN function, which is a Excel function that returns the character string length, that is, the number of characters in a word. So for instance, if I type LEN, so you either start with a plus or an equal text, and it only requires a text, which is India. I will type for the first time, and if you close, you enter, then you realize it gives an error. So how to correct this? Whatever you type must be on quotes. When you do that, then when you enter, it gives you. So I think you can see in India how many letters are there. There are 5. So for this case, we are going to apply len, but instead of typing, because we want to make it dynamic, you just select the cell reference and you close. When you close, in this case, you don't need to use the quotation marks. Then you can use filler to apply to all. And I was that to be keen on this. If you check on Costa Rica, the total number of letters here, they are 9. Costa 5, then Rica 4, but there is a space in between. If I delete the space, it becomes 9. So this means len function gives you even the number of spaces. But when it comes to figures, it operates differently. So if we check on 20.11, the point is also inclusive. If you type 0.56, every character is counted. But when you format the number to currency, it only counts the figures. In terms of check on salary, which is in dollars, we are having only 2. We are not having 5. The dollar sign is not counted. The decimal, the cent sign, and also the separator is not counted. For instance, I want to format my 10,000 into dollar. Let's see how it changes. In this case, it remains 5. Now, how do we apply this? We can apply this in so many ways. For instance, you can be told sort by length. So we'll start by saying equals to len. Then you close, enter, apply, use filler to all, then click on any within the table, right click, then come to sort, then you can say smallest to largest. This is how it will change, or you can right click on that data, then you say largest to smallest. There is an alternative of using the function sort, but we'll check onto that later. Now, how do you apply len function in the real world? I'm having a list that is applicable to teachers or examiners. If you have a number of tests and the student's name, so you got student A, student F, and we want to know those whose scores have not been entered. So there is 0 or no entry at all for their scores. You will highlight the region you want to format, then come to home, then you say conditional formatting, then say new rule. And in this case, we are use a formula to determine which cell to format. So the formula we are typing here is equals to len, and here the first cell that we have here is C3, you close. If this is equals to 0, then what do you want to come? Then you say format, then I'm going to say let this be in yellow, and I say yes, then you say okay. You can see all the zeros have been highlighted. The blank ones have been highlighted in yellow. If you like our video, follow us for more and subscribe.